Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making some loaded cookies. These cookies are kind of healthy. They have a lot of good things in it. Look at this. Carrots, raisins, coconut, oatmeal. This is shredded zucchini. I'll come back to that. Vanilla, eggs, white sugar, brown sugar, butter, flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. This is a lot of good stuff. And this is what you would put in like a carrot cake, minus the oatmeal. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited about this. Okay, so let me show you about zucchini. Zucchini tends to have a lot of liquid. Okay, it has a lot of liquid in it. So I shredded it, I put it in a paper towel. I'm gonna go over the sink and I'm gonna squeeze it until all the liquid comes out, and then we'll use this zucchini. You have to do that, otherwise you're gonna have mushy cookies. First, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. So here's the flour, cinnamon, salt, baking soda. Now I'm just going to mix this together and set it to the side. Now I'm going to start on my wet ingredients. Here's my butter, and here's my sugar. And now I'm going to beat this together. So now I beat my butter and my sugar until it was creamy. Now I'm going to add my eggs and my vanilla. And I'm going to beat that together. Now I'm going to start adding my flour. Half at a time. So here's the base for my cookies. Now I'm going to start adding my veggies. Here's my zucchini, my carrots. Here's my raisins, coconut, and oatmeal. Now I'm going to spoon this together. Just mix it together until it's all combined. I have a cookie sheet and it's lined with a parchment paper. This is a cookie scooper, okay? It's smaller than an ice cream scooper. And that's what I'm using to drop my cookies. I have a 350-degree oven waiting, and I'm gonna pop these in until they're cooked through. It should be anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. I'll let you know. My cookies just came out of the oven. They are very tasty. They taste like oatmeal cookies, only they're healthier because they have vegetables in them. Unbelievable. You can barely taste the vegetables, but you see them. They're very, very good. What you want to do is you want to let them cool while they're still sitting on your baking sheet. Let them cool on the baking sheet. That way they continue to cook all the way through. I cooked these for 13 minutes. So the cook time will vary, 10 to 13 minutes, more or less. And you just let them cool on your cookie sheet. They're very tasty. I did taste one and they taste like oatmeal cookies, only they have vegetables in them and lots of goodies. You can see the oatmeal and the carrots. They're very, very good. So these are my zucchini carrot oatmeal cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.